So how can you import media into iMovie on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc, as there are plenty of tutorials which you're going to find useful. So on the iPad, what we need to do is obviously have the iMovie app installed and ready. And then when we do, you can then open up the settings, scroll down to the apps, and at the bottom and find iMovie from the list. And you just want to ensure that at the photos right there, we have the full access selected, because otherwise your iPad cannot really access any media. So then we just go to iMovie, start a new project, or continue with an existing one. But when, for example, starting a brand new one, when I go to the create a movie section, it just goes directly to my gallery, to like this Photos app, and I can go to my videos like this, select the one which I want to add, click on the check mark and add as many as I want. As I said, the only issue here could be that your iMovie app doesn't have the permission to access your photos and videos, and we just change that in the settings. One last thing which you might be kind of struggling with is if you have the files like the videos saved in an external drive or somewhere in the Files app, well, the iMovie cannot access those either. So at first, if you have the video saved inside of the Files app, you have to move it to the Photos app. And you can do this by holding down on that file, tapping on a share, and you have the ability to save the image or save the video to the photos, which then can be accessed by iMovie. But once you do all this, you should be able to import your media right there. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and subscribe for more and leave the question there. It's likely that I'm going to answer it, or perhaps I'll make an updated video about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.